The first years of a child's life are the most precious and dramatic in their development as human beings.
Did you ever think about the psychological birth of a child? Psychological birth depends on the parents' ability to see their child.
We now know that the roots of many social problems and certainly mental health problems are in early childhood.
We're trying to use this information to make a difference in the lives of young parents and families, to better understand ways to help them adjust to parenthood.
For this reason, we have founded the SEED Institute for the study of early emotional development.
The SEED Institute playing an extremely important role in translating this basic science into interventions and preventions.
The SEED Institute is the ideal way of accomplishing the school vision. The school stands on three legs. One is, of course, the theoretical knowledge, evidence-based knowledge. The other leg is the clinical practice. And the third leg is the involvement in the community.
Unlike many academic studies, we don't keep our knowledge and understanding locked in the lab. We use our findings to advocate for national childcare policies in order to reform the education, health and welfare systems through budgeting and regulation.
In Israel, the issue of early childhood is particularly important. Why? The high rate of fertility and the high rate of labor force participation. Young families in Israel have lots of children and need to take care of them at the same time as they work. How do you do that? You need a lot of support for that, scientific support, the support of research to guide the young parents and the institutions that deal with early childhood in terms of what to do.
Institutes like the SEED Institute are very important in this quest to find community-based solutions to large social problems.
I think it was Margaret Mead, the sociologist, that says it's one of the oldest human needs to have somebody wonder where are you when you don't come back home at night. And I think this sentence is the very essence of the SEED Institute. I don't think it would be exaggeration to think about the Institute as a guardian angel of the parents and children we work with. Not every child here and everywhere is going to be a psychologically healthy child. What we do want is every child to have this opportunity.
The SEED Institute is really at the cutting edge of this research effort to understand how biology and behavior are interacting to influence individual differences in developmental outcomes.
This is the meaning and the extent of our college's social engagement, making science relevant to our society's most urgent needs. We envision a country and a community where children are emotionally nourished from birth. We hold the future in the palm of our hand. Join us today to plant a seed that will shape the future of our babies, our families, and the community for generations to come.